You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of these dog breed. If you want to learn more dog breed names, similar ones and confusing ones more particularly, make sure to stay tuned. Got them all. I'll link to them at the end of the video, so stay tuned to the channel. Alaskan, yes, it's from Alaska originally. Klee, Kai, yes, the pronunciation is actually pretty straightforward. Alaskan Klee Kai. Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.